Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to dive into something that's been popping up a lot lately, the Emerald app. If you've been browsing online or watching ads for passive income opportunities, you've probably come across this one. But is it really as good as they say it is? Well, I've taken a deep dive into the details, and I'm here to break it all down for you so you can make an informed decision. So what exactly is the Emerald app? In short, it's an AI-powered tool that promises to help you build and manage faceless YouTube channels without ever needing to record a single video or even show your face on camera. The pitch here is that you can start generating passive income just by activating a YouTube account, connecting it to the app, and letting AI do all the hard work for you. They claim that on average, users are pulling in about $349 a day per channel without needing any technical skills, video making experience, or even a huge initial investment. Sounds pretty good, right? But let's dig deeper. First off, the main selling point of Emerald is automation. According to the creators, the app will set up and run your YouTube channel on complete autopilot. You don't have to worry about creating content, recording anything, or even doing voiceovers. This is supposed to be one of the most hassle-free ways to earn money online. You just follow a few simple steps, like connecting your YouTube account, and boom, you're in business. No need for a fancy camera setup. No need to read scripts. No need for anything other than a little time to set things up. And the best part? They claim you'll start seeing results almost immediately. Now, there's a big promise here, generating $349 a day per channel on autopilot. Let's be real for a second. Who wouldn't want that kind of income from a side hustle, especially with such minimal effort? But as we all know, when something sounds too good to be true, it usually warrants a little skepticism. We need to think about how feasible this really is. Sure, the app uses AI, and AI has made huge strides in recent years, but YouTube is a massive platform with tons of competition. Generating consistent income on YouTube typically takes a lot of work, creativity, and building an audience. So I wanted to look at how Emerald is making this process easy and whether it's really sustainable in the long run. Emerald claims to use AI to automatically generate and manage content for your channel, which would, in theory, save you hours of effort. But does this mean that the content quality will be high enough to get significant views and, in turn, make money? You see, one of the ways that YouTube creators make money is through ad revenue. To get ad revenue, you need to meet certain criteria, like having a decent number of subscribers and video views. It's not just about putting out random videos. The content has to be engaging enough to keep people watching. So the idea of running a channel without putting in any creative effort is kind of a red flag. Will AI-generated content be good enough to grab the attention of YouTube's algorithm and actual viewers? That's something you'd want to test out before fully committing. Another thing to note is the business model that Emerald is promoting. They're offering the app with a one-time fee, along with additional bonuses and a money-back guarantee. The offer seems pretty attractive on the surface, but as always with these types of deals, there could be upsells or hidden fees down the line. They mention a 365-day money-back guarantee, and even a 250 get results or get paid promise. But I'd advise anyone interested to read the fine print. Guarantees are nice, but how many people actually take full advantage of them if things don't work out? And don't forget, the price supposedly increases every 60 minutes, so there's a sense of urgency built into the sales pitch. That's often a tactic used to push people into making quick decisions without thinking through everything. So, does the Emerald app live up to its promises? Well, I'm not entirely convinced that it's the revolutionary tool they make it out to be. While the concept of AI-powered YouTube automation is interesting, I think you need to approach it with caution. AI can definitely help streamline some processes, but building a successful YouTube channel usually takes more than just automation. It requires creativity, strategy, and long-term effort. The idea of being able to set and forget your way to $349 a day sounds too easy and doesn't align with how most content creators actually grow their channels. If you're really interested in using the Emerald app, I'd say it's worth trying, but only with the understanding that results aren't guaranteed and the process might not be as effortless as they claim. Make sure to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. After all, the best way to build an online business is through hard work, learning, and evolving your approach as you go. I'd love to hear what you think about the Emerald app. Have you tried it, or are you considering it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights. Catch you in the next video.